How to send files on Dropbox. To send files on Dropbox, firstly open up Dropbox and log into your Dropbox account. So once you've logged into your account, so firstly you need to upload a file that you want to send. To do that, once you've logged in, you can simply click on this upload or drop option, click on it, and then click on whether you want to upload a file or a folder. So in this case I'll just put file, and then simply select the file that you want to upload. For example, this picture here, select it and then click on open. So this will now open it to your upload it to your Dropbox. So once you have done uploading, so this is now uploaded, you can see upload successful. So I have uploaded it. All right, so and you can see that it pops up in my files list here, so it's been uploaded. So now to send this, what we can do, we can share it either with a link, using a link. To do that, go to your files, so just locate the file that you want to send, okay, and then on the file you'll see a share option. Click on the share option, and then here you will see there's a copy link option. So there's two methods you can do, two ways you can do this. To send it, you can simply click on copy link, and this will generate a link that you can you can send this link to anyone you want. So you can paste this link in an email, message, or in any platforms like social media platforms where you want to share to whoever you want to share it. You can just send it to them. So select that. So that's the link. I've got it, and then you can just copy that link and then paste it wherever you want, and you can send it that way. Another way is you can directly send the link through Dropbox. To do that, you can simply click on this share option again on the file, and then hit on these add people option here. So click on add people, and then just add the email address of the person whom do you want to send it to. Add that person, select that person, and then you can add a message if you want to. It's an optional, and then hit on share, and that's it. So that will send the link to that person. So that's how you can send files on Dropbox. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.